Joe Zia here from Zensations at Southtown Mall. I'm excited to share with you today some cool features of carrier oils and some super easy ways that you can use essential oils with carrier oils, of course, because we always want to dilute. And I'm just going to show you some of my favorite oils that you can do that with. It's so easy, especially if you're going out camping, if you're going out on a picnic, anytime. You should always have your oils with you. Some of my favorite oils to have around for topical use are going to be lavender, of course, is one of my all-time favorites. Anytime there's any kind of skin lesions, cuts, even sunburn, bug bites, anytime you want to stop infection. And you also get the beautiful benefit of lavender that it's an analgesic oil, in other words, a painkiller. So super easy. How do you do that? So let's say you're in the woods and you get cut, like that happened to me yesterday. I happened to be mountain biking yesterday. So you would just take a little bit of carrier oil and put it in the palm of your hand, just like this. In this case, I'm going to use fractionated coconut oil. There are many other carrier oils that we'll go over in just a second. This is a great versatile carrier oil. Just put a little bit in the palm of your hand, just like that. And then you'd take an oil, if it were lavender, okay, lavender. And it's super simple. You're just going to take a couple of drops. That's all you need, because these oils are so concentrated. You can do 3 drops, or that's about all you need. So you just be really careful about getting those drops out there. That's it. In this case, I'm using bug out in this particular case, but you could do this same exact operation with bug out, with lavender, with breathe is a great blend. And then all you're gonna do is just put it right on where you want it. So in this case, this is a bug repellent. It's fractionated coconut oil, 3 drops of bug out. And I'm just gonna put it right on my skin, just like that. And you are gonna get that citronella type smell with this particular oil because that's what it has in it. This is an all natural bug repellent that is amazing for your skin. So you can do that same thing. If it were the case of Vicks, I would rub it on my chest, for example, and that's gonna help open up my bronchioles, help me breathe better. If I'm using the menstrual blend, which I personally wouldn't probably use, but if I were, then I would put it right where I'm having pain issues. Again, diluted. I like to keep my oils already ready to use. For example, my go-to oils like my lavender, I'll have it right in the bottle ready to go. Just for a reference point, if you did want to put your oil inside of one of these 4-ounce bottles, we can help you here at Zia. But just so you know, you're going to use about 60 to 80 drops per bottle. And that's kind of what your reference point is. You can go up or down, but that's kind of what the experts recommend. And yeah, breathe is a great one. The sports one, if you have pain issues. The bug out is an awesome oil. So a million ways you can use these oils. And these are some of the different carrier oils. We're gonna go into a special about carrier oils soon and look forward to sharing that with you. Thanks for watching.